Let's see what we got here.
Well, if you remember, I said I was going to do rockers and cab corners. I'm just going to show you the finished product right now. It's all in primer. Well, I got little sneak peek videos of it along the way that I'm going to throw in here. I didn't get it videotaped through the whole process like I wanted to. Like this stuff you're seeing right there, that's just like dust on my hand. You can see it's nothing. Nice and clean. Looks good. Now my nice, beautiful black frame that I did. It's all dusty, but we get her washed up. Well, all in all, happy. It took me a long time because I'm new at this. I mean, I did the other side, but that was probably 6 months ago, and I did it with my buddy. Shouts out to him. And he does body work, so I helped him. Don't get me wrong, he didn't do it all, but I learned a lot from him to help me through this process. So I'm gonna throw some videos in with it of going through the process, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Pretty much looks like I'm just parting this thing out, you know. That's what it looks like. No front end, no fenders, torn apart, no doors, no bed. I'm done for the day, but there's that bump I cut, and the old one goes to right here. You can see how much I left of the cab corner. Well, there's the mock-up. Just needs to be, we got cleaning and shit to do, but that's what it's gonna be like when it's in place. You got everything self-etched, grinded down, drilled for spot welds. Got a lot of them. You got everything self-etched, grinded down, drilled for spot welds. Got a lot of them. Well, bud, there it is. It's really not that thick, I guess. This cab corner. Can't see that seam no more. Oh, man. Is it too much? I don't know. You tell me. Needs work. See that crease? That's the crease in the door. It's small right here. That's probably the worst of it right there. And it's just a line. It's not creased here. It's right here. Well, remember that door? How about it? Smooth as can be. Looks pretty good too. I don't see no crease. Gone. Working over here too.